Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you're encountering application error, a client-side exception has occurred, then watch this video for the solution. The first thing we need to do is to open the browser window. Now, the method or the steps I'm going to tell you here are the same across all browsers. If you're using, I'm using Edge. If you're using Chrome or Firefox, Mozilla, Opera, it's the same. The names are all the same, and the buttons are almost similar. So we'll click on these three buttons here, and we will go to extensions, click on manage extensions, and then make sure that the radio box near all the extensions is in the off position. I have one extension here, you might be having multiple, so just switch off all of them, close the browser and then restart it, and it should work. If it doesn't work, then and if you're still getting this error, then we need to clear the cache and the browser. So we will click on the three buttons here, go to the history, and then we will need to locate this button, this trash button or recycle bin delete browsing data, and we will select the time range all time, as you can see here, and then we will make sure that all these boxes are checked, the cookies, the cached images, download history, browsing history, and we'll click on clear now, and we'll close the browser and reopen it. If we're still getting the same error, then the problem would be with the date, time and date. So a wrong time and date can cause a lot of issues with the SSL certificates in the browser. So we need to correct the time and date. For that, we'll right click on the start button, go to settings, and then we will click on time and language. We'll click on date and time, and then we will make sure that these radio buttons are in the on position, set time zone automatically, set time automatically, and then we'll need to click on sync now till we get the white button. If you do not get this button, then keep clicking on sync now till you get it, and then open the browser and it should start working. But if it doesn't, then we would suspect that there is a malware or a virus involved in this error. So we will run a virus and antivirus and anti-malware scan. So we will look for virus and threat protection settings here in the search bar. Now, if you're using a third party antivirus like McAfee, Kaspersky, or Norton, or a third party anti malware like Malwarebytes, it will show here that you're using. So, you need to go to that app and you need to run the scan. But since I'm using the pre installed default Windows virus and threat protection, I will click on scan options and I will click on full scan, and then I will click on scan now. Then I will restart the computer and then open the browser to see if I'm getting a similar error. If I'm getting the similar error again, which is very, very rare, folks, after following all these solutions, then I will open the browser and click on the three buttons here. Then I will go to help and feedback, go to about Microsoft Edge, and then I will look for check for updates and updating Microsoft Edge. Once the browser is updated, then you need to restart it again and you should no longer face this error. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.